Welcome to 197 Dove Trace Drive. This neat 3-bedroom, 2-bath home with a covered front porch, large fenced backyard with deck and storage shed. In close proximity to area interstates and Columbia Metropolitan Airport. It's located in West Columbia. So you're here in the front yard now. You can see there's a driveway here on the left side, single car wide driveway. Then you have sidewalk going up to the front entry. You have a covered front porch. And as you enter, you come right into the living room. And you have an open floor plan main living area. You can see vaulted ceilings. And here, there's a ceiling fan in the living room. Some windows looking out towards the front of the home. The kitchen itself has a large eat-in and dining area here. On this side, galley style kitchen layout. You have an included refrigerator, smooth top electric stove, microwave, and dishwasher there. A couple windows in here, and then your laundry closet is here. So you have full-size washer and dryer connections. There's a shelf there as well. And then this door leads you out to the backyard. So you have a covered back door out here. Then you have the deck off the back of the home. And you have a large fenced backyard. As you can see, it goes all the way back there to where there's sort of where that large tree is, sort of in the center. And then there is a large storage shed here as well. Then we'll go on down the hall. So have a linen closet or storage closet here to your left side as you enter the hallway. This one is probably a coat closet here. There's an attic access panel there, some storage space. Then here's the master bedroom at the back right of the home, faces the backyard. You have a ceiling fan in here. Here is the closet. You see it sort of goes back behind the door on both sides there. And then your full bathroom off the master. You have a single vanity, some medicine cabinet there, and a shower. There's a window opposite of the sink and mirror also. And then you have 2 additional bedrooms on this side, both facing the front of the home. Both have pretty similar closets to what was in the master. And then here again, bedroom number 3. And we'll open that closet door for you. And this one just a bit smaller than the other 2, but pretty similar style. And then last but not least, you have your second full bathroom in the house, single vanity there, and a shower and tub. And then there's a medicine cabinet on the opposite wall there. So that completes our tour of this home, neat home here in West Columbia. You can find out more information about this property by visiting our website at turnerproperties.com, or you can give us a call at 803-407-8522.